everyone. Today I am here at the Fort Somali Resort. After a long drive of 7 hours from our new I-20, okay, it's pretty sunny here because it's summer, and as you can see, there are many mountains on that side, and there is also a beach. We'll go there soon. Now I'm gonna head to the hotel and take a look. Okay, let's go in. This is the lobby here. There are no ways to enter it. This is the door and the staircase. This is the sanitizing section and the surprising part I found right now is that the fort is also in Amanora, where we live. Sit here. We have already checked in, so now we'll move to go. There's a sign. So now, once we head this way, there is a nice park. It's like a nature walk. It's very good. Oh, and by the way, I'm here with my parents, which includes my mother and father and my dog Bobo. So every tree they have their name written here. That's the restaurant over there, which is near the statue. We are gonna go there while we eat dinner. I'm very hungry now because of the 7-hour drive. We couldn't eat anything. There are different types of rooms. We are staying in the Lilian Cottage. Now let's go to the room. There are some arrows here. There are statues of animals and other people. This is our room. So funny thing, we have to put this pet in room sign as Bobo is in there. Okay, so now this is how the room looks from inside since I've opened the door right now. Here we have the bathroom. I'll show you that later. First, we begin with the shoe rack and coffee stand. We can make coffee here, just in all hotels. Next up, we have Bobo's bed and an area with a big plant where we have kept our camera bags and stuff. This is the main bed where my father and mother are gonna sleep, and this is my extra bed. I think we'll be moving it later. This is the desk. We kept our things here, like how I kept my books. We also have a big balcony. Now about the balcony. It's a nice big balcony. Oh, and there is no fence, so Bobo can jump up and go out and play over there. This is the wash basin, and it has all the accessories like toothbrush and stuff. This mirror is also very big. Now we have to move on to the shower and toilet. The interesting thing is that it's an outdoor shower and toilet. But don't worry, nobody is gonna see you because there is a brick wall. In the day it will look more clear as it's night, and there is a tulip over there. Okay, now so that we completed the room tour, how about I show you more of the hotel? Yeah, as you might have noticed that we didn't see from that way, and we also didn't check out the play area and stuff. So first up, it's a long walkway there. Here there are normal rooms, not suites like that one. That's the entrance to the room area. It also has the indoor play area, but I'll show that to you later. Here we have this outdoor play area. There is a lawn here. There is a Buddha statue over there. As I must have showed you this lawn here from the room only, I will show you this area which you might not have seen. This is a banyan tree and there are some birds on it which makes the sound. Another statue of a crocodile is there and a place where you can meet and shop. I don't know what to do here. This is the town hall area. Behind that there is a spa, or maybe this is also the spa. I'm not so sure if this is the town hall or the spa. And there we have the swimming pool. It's closed right now because of COVID. You know, there is a baby pool and a big pool. And some tables to eat. Now since we are done with some of the outdoor area, I think we should start moving on to the good place, which is the indoor play area. We have to enter the room section to get there. This is from inside the room area. I've just entered. You have to head to the very bottom of this building and you can find the indoor play area. Just one more floor down and there it is. This blank space where things are painted white. And once you walk this way, you'll find the play area. In the play area there is table tennis, there is ice hockey, even a smaller ice hockey over there. And in this room more ice hockey. In this room there is a carom board with 4 chairs and a pool table. Now I have to head back. This seems to be a drawing room. I don't know what exactly this is. It mostly looks like a drawing room. And we have another game area here. There is a forest over here just behind us as we are on top of a mountain.
Okay guys, now I'm on the Dartmoor beach. I'm having fun with Bobo, my mother and my father who is currently shooting. Now bye bye, let me have some fun.
Hey guys, look, today is the last day over here and I'm walking Bobo around the hotel. That's the restaurant, the name is Zillion. I'm just walking past this statue I must have shown you earlier. Alright Bobo, let's go somewhere. There is a Jasalina over there. Since I'm with Bobo, I'll show that to you later. Oh look, it's a stray cat sitting down. Hey, by the way, there is this something which I'm very scared about here. Is that today in the morning I saw a monkey on that roof. Can I have some fun, Bobo? Yeah, that's right, viewers. Let's see how much fun Bobo will have once I leave his leash, and he might go running over there or there. Alright, let's see. In 1, 2, 3. Over, run! Run! Keep running with him because he follows me all the time. Because he likes me very much. Wherever I go, he'll follow me. And now let's see his reaction over there. Since there are sprinklers, I don't know what he will do. Bobo, you want to come? He's actually managing to pass through. I'm just gonna bend because why not? Now my device has gotten a bit wet because I just passed through the sprinklers and I got myself a bit wet. Bobo is off leash, so he won't go anywhere under Sargo. Bobo, bye. Come, Bobo. Jog with me. When I gave you the hotel tour, so basically that place I didn't know what it was, right? It's actually called the Amodini. This tree seems like a nice place to relax and sit. It's the Biti tree. Let's see more details about it. The Biti, the common name. The botanical name is Tabitha peruviana. The family is Apocynaceae. The flowering season is throughout this year, which means if we are lucky, we could spot some flowers here. I think that's a flower over there. Look. They say that this is a large evergreen shrub or a small tree. Flowers are funnel shaped. The flower color may be yellow, white or peach, which means the flower we saw is not a leaf, it's an actual flower. Bobo also seems to like this tree because he must be liking to rest in it. Oh, there also seems to be a library and a gym. I think I should go and search for it because I also haven't explored that area. And the swimming pool. Yeah, we have explored that. And the spa. I think the spa is also this way. Yes, here we go. The spa. The library also seems to be inside the spa area. But I don't think I can go in because I have Bobo here. This seems like another exit. I think that's enough for the hotel tour because I have almost covered every spot except for the library and spa. And I think it's closed also because of COVID-19. Now we just have to wait for COVID to end. Then everything will be open again. Oh, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm just telling that to you now, not at the end of the video. But we will be having a drone footage too. In that you will be seeing the top view of the hotel and more other drone videos. Okay guys, we are now at Anjarne beach. We are here to view the sunset because it's almost sunset time. We parked our car there. Oh, and also there is a river connecting to the ocean. There are many fisher boats because fishermen go here. Now, let me enjoy the sunset. Okay guys, today is the day we head home. So we enjoyed a lot over here. Now before we leave, I also want to show you the main entrance of the hotel. We really enjoyed it here and I have not showed you the main gate. So we are gonna go there. We are already starting to check out right now. Bobo is there. That's our room. And they already went to keep the luggage.
Okay, so we had a lovely stay here. Now it's time to go. Our car is over there. Main entrance I was talking about. So now bye. We have to get to Pune before the lockdown starts. Okay, so that's really it for the video. This is the slideshow of some of my photos. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. Please like, share and subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the notifications when you subscribe, so you don't miss any other videos over here. Bye.